for this week, we learn it in the regular tempo because this is for blue. In the future, we will play some blue rhythm. But now we're just using the regular rhythm. That means when you see the eighth note, count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the quarter note just like one beat. It's normally. For key signature, what's the key signature for this piece? 1 sharp, G major, right? So here we have all the F plays the F sharp on black key. And the accidental sign, A sharp, it's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I showed you just now, it's in a slow tempo. Right hand finger. So for the whole piece, fingering is such important because the right hand pattern 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 1. So always repeat the pattern 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 1. That's a finger. Da, 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 da. And when you moving up to the move to the second line, it's D sharp, starting from D sharp, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and 1, 3. So the same fingering and moving down again. The bottom line of first page, last bar, E sharp, F sharp, A, E sharp, F sharp, and A. So looking for where is E sharp. E sharp, that is F natural. And we have F sharp and A. E sharp again. So it's a F natural, F sharp. Same fingering. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 1. And then D sharp, E, G, D sharp, E, G, 5, 1. So really be careful those three bars, the rhythm. So left hand play the beat 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. So left hand 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1. So the 5 of the intervals, harmonic interval play together those notes using 1 5. Just enlarge your hand gesture and move to C position. 1 5 on B flat, G position, F natural. So that's it. Okay, and the last bar, last note. So this one is 7, G, F, B, A. So we do the chords first. So next week we're talking about how to play the tremolo, something like that. All right. Okay, this is let me tell you about blues.